Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Sometimes in Korean, the difference between two expressions isn't about grammar, it's about emotion. And using the right expression in the right situation can make your Korean sound much more natural and accurate. So, in this video, we are going to look at another pair of Korean expressions or words that often confuse learners. 보고 싶다 and 그립다. Both can be translated as to miss, but they don't convey the same feeling. So, in this video, we are going to break them down and understand the difference clearly. Now, before we move ahead with this video, if you want to watch more such videos on comparison of similar Korean words, then I'll share the link of the complete playlist consisting of all those videos in which I have compared such Korean words or expressions that sound similar but are used differently in different situations or carry different nuances. So that is definitely going to strengthen your Korean. Now, without wasting any more time, let's begin. So first of all, let's talk about 보고 싶다. This phrase is very commonly used and most of the Korean language learners, especially beginners, know what this means. 보고 싶다, it literally means to want to see. The literal meaning of this phrase is to want to see. 보다 means to see, and 고 싶다 ending means to want. So to want to see, that is the literal meaning. Now it is the most common and natural way to say I miss you or I miss someone in everyday Korean. Okay, you want to see someone because you miss them. So this phrase, it means you miss someone. It expresses a desire to see someone because they're not with you right now. Obviously, if you want to see someone, that person is not with you, present at the moment. You can use it for family, for friends, for your partner, or anyone you want to meet again. Okay, so the meaning is very simple. 보고 싶다 is used when you want to see someone because you miss them. You're missing someone. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the example sentences to understand how to use this phrase in everyday Korean language. So first example is 엄마가 정말 보고 싶어요. I really miss my mom. Mom, 엄마. Really, 정말. To miss, we have just seen right now, 보고 싶다. When conjugated in the present tense, it becomes 보고 싶어요. 엄마가 정말 보고 싶어요. Very simple. So here you want to convey that you miss your mom and you want to meet her as soon as possible. Alright? Next. 친구가 보고 싶어요. I miss my friend, or it could also mean I want to see my friend. Friend is 친구. And again, 보고 싶어요 means to miss, to want to see someone. So you can see this is very simple. Keep this in mind, it is used when you miss someone. Next, let's talk about another similar word. 그립다. 그립다 means to long for or to miss dearly. So as you can see, this holds a more deep feeling of missing someone as compared to 보고 싶다. It expresses a deeper and more emotional feeling of missing something. Unlike 보고 싶다, which focuses on wanting to see someone again, 그립다 focuses on feelings of longing and nostalgia. Okay? So, as you can see, it was very deeply emotional word. It is often used when talking about a place, a memory, or a period of your life that brings warm or bittersweet feelings of nostalgia for you. It is especially used when recalling the past or something that cannot be experienced in the same way again. So basically, kripta is used when you miss something dearly or when you're longing for something. Okay, when you're having nostalgia about a past incident or some time in your past, you are becoming nostalgic about a place from your past, you're recalling your past. Okay, so kripta is used in that sense. This is what makes it different from pogoshipta. In case of pogoshipta, you miss someone and you want to see that person. Okay, but in case of kripta, you are missing something from your past. You are recalling your past and you are missing that thing dearly. Okay, let's talk about the example sentences so we understand more clearly how kripta is used. First example is 고향이 그리워요. I miss my hometown. 고향, hometown. To miss something, to long for something. 그립다, conjugated in present tense, 그리워요. Okay? Now, before we move ahead, I want to clarify one thing, that you might be thinking why I'm not using the subject in the sentence as I. In case of Korean, it should be 저는 고향이 그리워요. Right? You can also say that. For I, we use 저는, but I am omitting over here because in everyday Korean, the native Korean speakers, they usually omit 저는 because it is understood that you're talking about yourself during a conversation. So the native speakers, they commonly say it this way, unless they want to emphasize I, unless you want to emphasize the subject. Okay? 저는 고향이 그리워요. I miss my hometown. This is perfect. This is correct. This is grammatically the perfect way to say I miss my hometown in Korean. But again, when we talk about the native Korean speakers or day-to-day Korean language sentences, then we usually omit 저는. Okay, so this is also correct. This is more commonly used version. Now, let's take a look at another example. 어린 시절이 너무 그리워요. I miss my childhood very much. 어린 시절, childhood. Very normal. To miss something, to long for something, to recall something from the past and become nostalgic, we use 그립다, conjugated as 그리워요. So you are really nostalgic about your childhood right now, and therefore you say 어린 시절이 너무 그리워요. I miss my childhood very much. So I hope you get this, how 그립다 is used in Korean sentences. Now, with this video, we have learned the difference between 보고 싶다 and 그립다. 보고 싶다 expresses the desire to see someone, while 그립다, it expresses a deeper feeling of longing and nostalgia. Also, if you would like to learn more confusing Korean word pairs, then make sure to check out the other videos in this series. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.